Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm super excited you're joining us today. Happy Wednesday everybody. Today you're in for a real treat. We have another batch of card swaps, and today's card swaps was all focusing on the celebration items. So for every $50 you spend, you get to pick a free item out of the celebration brochure. First card today, you guys. These cards are in no particular order. Stamping on the inside as well is optional. I personally like to stamp the inside of my card. Again, this is optional. Our first card today, you guys, this is actually my card. Our card swap on Monday, I didn't have a spare card to show you what I made. But this is my card I made for the card swap. Super cute. Love it. Wink Stella all over. And I use some of these new sequins, which I like. That's card number 1. Card number 2 comes from Melissa Davies. I love this card. We have some of embossing going on underneath here. Her flowers are popped up with some dimension. I like the way she's stamped this several times. Super cute card. Thank you so much, Melissa. Card number 3 comes from Kelly Gettelfinger, and I apologize if I'm not saying your last name correct. I love this little bling piece here, and I love the fraying of the cardstock. It's hard to see it on camera, but Kelly did also stamp the inside of her card. Very cute card. Thank you. Our next card this is card number 4. This card comes from Melissa Bolinger. Now, I love the gold embossing. We got a little heart enamel. How special, you guys. This is a gift card holder or a money. Let's see here. You can stick money in there. How cool. I love this card. Thank you so much. And this again was card number 4. We have card number 5. Card number 5 comes from Brittany Moon. And if you look at the ladybugs, the little dots have some like glitter on them. Can you see? Oh my goodness, it's hard to tell on the camera, you guys. So pretty. Card number 6 comes from Jan McClurg. How cute is this? Look at this. Look at this little flap. Ooh, so fancy. So in order to open your card, you have to move this little flap. I thought that was so stinking cute. I love it. And that's from Jan. Super cute card, Jan. Card number 7 comes from Lisa Pressley. Any relation to Elvis Presley? Let me know in the comments. I love the card. I love the colors, the embossing, a lot of dimension. Such a cute card. Isn't Elvis Presley's daughter named Lisa as well? Let me know in the comments, you guys. I thought it was Lisa Marie. Super cute card. Thank you so much, Lisa. And that was card number 7. We have card number 8. Lot of dimension on here. I love these little guys. They're so cute. And the little hats as well. Just an adorable card. A lot of embossing here with the bricks. Super cute card. And this is card 8 is from Karla Stroh. And again, I'm apologizing if I'm saying your last name wrong. We have card number 9. And card number 9 comes from Laurie Rigo. I love this. Her flowers do have Wink of Stella on them, so they're nice and sparkly. And she's gone and added some of those sequins. Super cute card. Love it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to everybody. This next card, card number 10, comes from Wendy Lynn. And yeah, there's some embossing going on, little dimension. She's gone and sponged the edge of the paper. So cute. Love it. Love it. We have card number 11, and this comes from Debbie Greyson. Super cute card. This ladybug is from a host set. And oh my goodness, you guys, if you've seen the little set, it's so stinking cute. But also some dimension going on, some bling. Very cute card. Thank you so much, Debbie. Card number 12 comes from Andrea Tracy-Tucker. I love this, you guys. There's a lot of embossing going on. This little cake piece is popped with dimension. And the coloring here is stunning. Look how pretty that is. And I'm assuming she's used her blends. But wow, such pretty coloring in this card. Thank you so much, Andrea. And our last and final card comes from Dana Miller, and this is card number 13. She's also used this pretty cake with the flowers, and there's also some glitter on the cake. Now again, it's hard to see on the camera. She's used a pearlized doily, a lot of embossing. Such a beautiful card. Love, love, love it. Thank you so much for everybody that took part in the card swap. It's so much fun. And if there are any cards that you're looking for instructions or measurements on how to create it, I will have over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. And I will also have a link in the description that will head you on over to the blog post. And over there, you will be able to find a place where you can contact me and let me know what card number you would like, and I will send off instructions. I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Please join me back here on Friday, and I hope to see you all then. Take care.